Now let's understand what dependency injection actually means. Now we can spend an hour at least to understand fully what dependency injection means, but here I'll try to explain you briefly. So let's take a look at our employee service code, and particularly app.ts. Now in the construction portion, you're seeing the construction, but how did the employee service got created? We usually write a new operator to create an instance. So basically I'll write usually and this is how we usually create our instances, but in our case we didn't write this. So where or how exactly this instance got created? It's actually Angular injected our service and created the instance. So that service was injected in the constructor, and that is why we were able to access that service or the instance of service and call the methods on it, because Angular injected that service for us. So what are the benefits of dependency injection? There are a lot of benefits, but let's see one of them. Now we have employee service over here that returns a list of employees. Now let's say we have a master employee service which returns employees which are over the age of 30. So if I want to iterate to the list, do I have to write a new component? And the answer to that is no, and thanks to dependency injection, all we can do over here is all we have to do is just write this provide tag over here and say employee service comma use class master employee service. So we can still use the employee service code, but actually the method that will be called the get employees will be of the master employee service, and that method will return all the employees over the age 30 in our hypothetical scenario. So this is how dependency injection helped us over here. We don't have to write another component, and this master employee class will be extending employee service. It will contain get employees method too.